Ever wondered how geometry transforms ordinary buildings into extraordinary structures? From hyperbolic paraboloids to fractal designs, the world is filled with architectural masterpieces shaped by unique patterns. Imagine standing beneath a roof inspired by soap bubbles or admiring intricate tessellations with deep cultural meanings. Ready to explore the intersection of art, science, and architecture? Join us as we discover the 10 most remarkable geometric buildings around the globe, each with a design as breathtaking as its location. Cosmic Rays, Pavilion, Mexico City, Mexico. Designed by renowned architect Felix Candela in 1951, the Cosmic Rays Pavilion is a groundbreaking example of geometric innovation. Located at the Universidad Nacional Autónoma de Mexico, this structure represents a marriage of aesthetics and scientific functionality. Candela utilized the hyperbolic paraboloid form, an ultra-thin, shell-like design that showcases both architectural elegance and engineering prowess. This geometric shape allows for a vast, uninterrupted interior space supported by minimal material, reducing the need for additional structural elements like columns. The pavilion was built to house scientific equipment used in cosmic ray research, a field requiring sophisticated infrastructure to detect high-energy particles from outer space. Its hyperbolic paraboloid shape was not only visually striking but also served a practical purpose, maximizing open interior space for the installation of delicate instruments. At only 5 centimeters thick, the concrete roof defied conventional limits of its time, exemplifying Candela's forward-thinking approach to both form and function. Candela's Cosmic Rays Pavilion is part of his larger legacy of exploring thin-shell concrete construction. His experimentation with hyperbolic curves and parabolic shapes allowed architects to rethink the limitations of traditional materials. The pavilion's light, elegant design was pioneering, paving the way for future generations of architects to use geometry as both an aesthetic and functional tool. Candela's work directly influenced other architectural masterpieces, including the Sydney Opera House. Today, the Cosmic Rays Pavilion stands as both a cultural and architectural icon, celebrated for its unique approach to geometry and structural design. It highlights how mathematical principles, particularly those rooted in geometry, can enhance architectural integrity while pushing the boundaries of traditional design. Candela's masterpiece continues to inspire architects worldwide, demonstrating the endless possibilities that arise from blending scientific rigor with creative vision. Shah Mosque, Isfahan, Iran. The Shah Mosque in Isfahan, completed in 1629 during the Safavid dynasty, is one of the most awe-inspiring examples of Islamic architecture, renowned for its dazzling use of geometry. Its grand entrance is framed by a towering iwan covered in vivid blue tiles that display intricate arabesque patterns and calligraphy. The mosque's symmetrical layout and its use of pointed arches, domes, and minarets demonstrate mastery of Islamic geometric principles, creating a spiritual and architectural harmony that leaves visitors in awe of its complexity. The mosque's geometric splendor is most evident in its elaborate tile work. The walls, domes, and arches are adorned with tessellations, which consist of repeating stars and polygonal patterns. These shapes symbolize the infinite nature of the universe, a concept rooted deeply in Islamic art and philosophy. By using complex geometric patterns, the architects transformed the mosque into more than just a place of worship. It became a representation of divine order and beauty, reflecting the grandeur of God through intricate design. The massive dome of the Shah Mosque is another key feature, demonstrating how geometry was applied to create an acoustically and visually stunning space. The dome's intricate muqarnas, ornamented vaults, are arranged in geometric tiers, which both distribute the weight of the structure and amplify sound. This not only serves a practical purpose, but also enhances the mosque's spiritual atmosphere, immersing worshippers in a space where art and engineering come together to elevate the experience of prayer. Today, the Shah Mosque remains a testament to the sophistication of Persian architecture and its deep connection to geometry. Every corner, tile, and arch was designed with mathematical precision, creating a building that is not only functional but also profoundly symbolic. The mosque's exquisite geometry continues to attract scholars, architects, and tourists alike, each seeking to understand the spiritual and artistic mastery embedded in its walls. Eden Project, Cornwall, UK. The Eden Project in Cornwall is a revolutionary eco-architectural marvel that fuses geometry and nature. Designed as a series of massively interconnected biomes, the structure mimics nature's own geometric patterns, resembling honeycombs or soap bubbles. These geodesic domes, made of hexagonal and pentagonal cells, are lightweight yet strong, allowing the Eden Project to house diverse ecosystems, including tropical and Mediterranean environments. The design maximizes natural light and temperature control, showcasing how geometry can optimize both form and function in sustainable architecture. The dome's geometry isn't just aesthetically striking, it's also highly functional. The hexagonal and pentagonal panels of the biomes are composed of ETFE, a lightweight material that is more efficient than glass in insulating and transmitting light. This design reduces energy consumption, aligning with the Eden Project's mission of promoting environmental sustainability. By applying geometric principles to architecture, the Eden Project demonstrates how intelligent design can benefit both people and the planet, balancing beauty with ecological responsibility. Beyond its architectural innovations, the Eden Project serves as a living laboratory for exploring the relationship between humans and the natural world. Inside, visitors can wander through vast rainforests, Mediterranean gardens, and desert landscapes, all housed within geometric domes. This integration of natural ecosystems and geometric design not only educates visitors about global biodiversity, but also emphasizes the potential for architecture to harmonize with nature. The domes themselves become a metaphor for the delicate balance between human progress and environmental stewardship. Today, the Eden Project stands as a symbol of sustainable design, attracting millions of visitors who come to marvel at its geometric beauty and ecological ingenuity. Its use of geometric shapes inspired by nature reflects the project's broader mission to demonstrate how architecture and environmental consciousness can coexist. As one of the world's leading ecotourism destinations, the Eden Project proves that innovative geometry can play a pivotal role in shaping a more sustainable future for both humans and the environment. Alhambra Palace, Granada, Spain. The Alhambra Palace in Granada, Spain, is a stunning example of Moorish architecture, renowned for its intricate geometric patterns and profound use of Islamic art. Built in the 13th and 14th centuries, the palace is adorned with tessellations, arabesques, and calligraphy, embodying a deep connection between geometry and spirituality. The walls and ceilings are covered in complex patterns that repeat infinitely, symbolizing the infinite nature of the universe and the divine. These geometric designs represent the Islamic architect's pursuit of harmony, balance, and beauty in every detail. The palace's stunning Court of the Lions is one of the best examples of this geometric mastery. The fountain at the center is surrounded by 12 marble lions, and the courtyard's layout follows precise geometric proportions. The surrounding arches are decorated with muqarnas, an intricate three-dimensional geometric design that enhances both the aesthetic and the structure's integrity. The geometry here is not merely decorative, it also serves to create a sense of order and symmetry, transforming the space into a meditative environment. Inside, the Hall of the Two Sisters showcases the breathtaking artistry of Islamic geometry. Its ceiling is a magnificent star-shaped vault made from over 5,000 intricately arranged plaster pieces in a muqarnas formation. This geometric design not only dazzles the eye but also creates a unique play of light and shadow, adding to the spiritual atmosphere of the space. The geometry here serves both a practical purpose, distributing weight and supporting the ceiling, and a symbolic one, representing the heavens and the perfection of creation. Today, the Alhambra Palace stands as one of the most visited monuments in Spain, attracting tourists, architects, and scholars alike. Its use of geometry is not only a testament to the technical prowess of its creators, but also reflects the deep cultural and religious values of the time. Each tessellation and arch represents a merging of art and mathematics, resulting in a structure that continues to inspire awe centuries after its construction. The Alhambra's intricate geometric beauty is a reminder of the timelessness of mathematical principles in design and the spiritual significance they can convey. Heydar Aliyev Center, Baku, Azerbaijan. The Heydar Aliyev Center in Baku, designed by renowned architect Zaha Hadid, is a masterpiece of fluid geometry and futuristic design. Known for its lack of straight lines and right angles, the building's smooth, curvilinear form is a striking departure from traditional architecture. Inspired by natural landscapes and wave-like movements, The building flows seamlessly, evoking the feeling of a continuous ribbon. The unique shape was made possible by advanced parametric design, allowing for precise, complex curves that define the structure's iconic silhouette. The building's form reflects Hadid's signature style, where geometry plays a crucial role in both aesthetic and structural integrity. The entire facade consists of complex curves supported by an intricate steel frame that maintains the flowing, organic appearance of the structure. This use of geometry enables the building to create large, open spaces inside without the need for excessive support columns, emphasizing openness and flexibility. The building's smooth white exterior enhances its fluidity, giving it a futuristic appearance that contrasts sharply with the rigid, rectilinear surroundings of Baku. Inside, the Heydar Aliyev Center houses exhibition spaces, conference halls, and a museum, all of which maintain the building's geometric continuity. The flowing interior design, free of sharp angles, allows for an immersive experience, as visitors feel enveloped by the building's organic shapes. The large open spaces inside are illuminated by natural light, which filters through the curved windows, creating a dynamic interaction between light and architecture. The design not only enhances the functionality of the building but also provides a symbolic connection between Baku's future and its cultural heritage. The Heydar Aliyev Center stands as a symbol of modern architecture's ability to push the boundaries of design. Its innovative use of geometry and advanced construction techniques allows for a fluid, organic form that challenges traditional architectural conventions. The building is a testament to Zaha Hadid's visionary approach, merging form, function, and geometry to create a space that feels as much like a sculpture as it does a functional building. It has become an architectural icon, representing the bold, forward-thinking spirit of Azerbaijan and the future of design worldwide. Eden Hotel, Dakhla, Morocco. The Eden Hotel, in Dakhla, Morocco, is a remarkable example of minimalist geometric architecture that harmonizes with its natural desert surroundings. The hotel's design embraces clean lines and simple shapes, reflecting a modernist approach to luxury that focuses on blending human construction with the landscape rather than dominating it. The structure is built with local materials that naturally complement the desert's earthy tones, creating a cohesive aesthetic that feels both contemporary and timeless. Geometrically, the hotel's layout is based on functional simplicity, using square and rectangular forms to maximize space while maintaining an unobtrusive profile in the desert environment. The low-rise buildings are arranged in a grid-like formation, which allows for easy movement between the various sections of the hotel while offering stunning, uninterrupted views of the surrounding dunes and the Atlantic Ocean. The design prioritizes open spaces and clean sightlines, giving guests a sense of tranquility and connection to the natural world. The use of geometry in the Eden Hotel's architecture also extends to its sustainable design. The flat roofs and minimalist facades help regulate temperature in the hot desert climate, reducing the need for artificial cooling systems. Large windows and open courtyards are strategically placed to allow natural ventilation and light, enhancing the eco-friendly aspects of the hotel. This geometric simplicity not only contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the hotel, but also reflects a commitment to environmental sustainability, aligning with the principles of responsible tourism. The Eden Hotel's geometric design creates an atmosphere of understated luxury, where the architecture itself serves as a frame for the surrounding beauty of the Dakhla region. By using simple geometric forms and local materials, the hotel offers an immersive experience that respects and enhances its natural setting. This thoughtful use of geometry, combined with modern comforts, makes the Eden Hotel a standout example of contemporary desert architecture, attracting visitors who seek both elegance and ecological harmony. As we conclude our journey through these incredible geometric wonders, remember that architecture is more than just design. It's a fusion of art, math, and innovation. If you enjoyed exploring these masterpieces with us, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's architectural marvels with us, and let your curiosity lead the way.